So for this particular experiment that my class would do, we would have 4 plants in the class, and we would want to see if the sun and water makes a difference, and just so that the students could learn what type of environmental effects those have on the plants. So we would use Seesaw, which is an app that lets you type in notes or draw, but you can only do one or the other. And so we would type our notes here, just simple things about the flowers each day. So like the one with the sun and water, we would write like that on day 4 it was green, greener than it was before, with a strong stem and a bright red flower. And then we would just add to things like the one with sun and no water, it would be less green due to not having water, and then eventually we would get to that it's noticeably drier to the rest. And then on top of the notes that the kids would take each day, we would use Whiteboard, which is another good app, and we would use this to draw the different plants that we have. So I would just ask them to draw a different one each day and then send it to me. So like the first one could be like the first day it's a green, it's kind of hanging over, and it has the little bud that's not yet a flower, but it still has leaves they could mention. And I'm sure they wouldn't be the best drawings as they are third graders, but as long as they get the idea. And then I would like them to label them, such as like leaf and stem, just to so you can tell that they have an understanding. And then with that, we would just do a new one each day, and you can get rid of the one from your past day and draw another one, such as one that has been kept from without water or sun, and you can tell that it is obviously less healthy, with like leaves falling down off of it, as opposed to our healthy ones. And those would be the 2 apps that would help us to integrate technology into the classroom for our standards.